This is how you generate GMB Q&A section using AI. The Q&A section on your GMB profile allows potential customers to ask questions about your business, and your responses can significantly influence their decision to visit or contact you. Having well-crafted answers can make your business appear more knowledgeable and trustworthy. Step 1. Install the GMB Everywhere extension by going to gmbeverywhere.com. Click the Install Chrome extension button. You will be redirected to the extension page. Click Add to Chrome. Once installed, a new tab of Google Maps will open, showing several buttons. Click the AI button in Google Maps or go to the admin page of your GMB profile and click AI Tool. Once there, click on Q&A Section Generator to start generating your Q&A section. Step 2. Enter your business name in the designated text box. Customize the tone and style of your post to suit your intended impact. Choose from options like friendly, humorous, or any other tone that fits your brand's personality and the message's objective. Once you've tailored the tone to your preferences, simply hit the Generate Q&A button. Step 3. After the content is generated, you can effortlessly copy it by clicking the Copy button, which will save the text to your clipboard. Once copied, you can then log into your business's Google account to publish the newly created Q&A section. By leveraging AI, you can create a robust Q&A section on your Google My Business profile that not only saves you time, but also provides valuable information to your potential customers. Want to know more about this lightweight and powerful tool to help your business? Check out the related video in the description box below. Got some questions, or do you have topics that you want to discuss? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next video.